I thought I would document the making of Sir Richard's shield, GRAIL shield from Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. And there it is there. There's a few of my notes. This is a beast. This is a really big piece. And how I did it was I started with laser etched foam. This is EVA foam on my red-black laser cutter. I am currently in the process of installing the rivets, and there are a lot of them, and I've gotten this far. Got my reference photos pulled up so I can get the placement of these rivets exact. This foam is, this is a piece of 10mm EVA foam, and a lot of people don't know this, but you can laser cut this and engrave it really well. I ended up going with 5mm EVA foam, just so I can get this curve a little bit tighter. And this is, the foam is mounted to a piece of Sintra that I bent over a piece of PVC pipe to get that nice curve. When I was assembling these EVA panels, I was careful to leave a lip here. You can see that there's a lip. There's some separation, and then there's also some damage and some warping and denting in here, which I duplicated. And I've got nice separation on these panels. Rivets are all in place. There's 50 big ones and about 30 tiny ones. Little tiny guys. Hard to see because everything is white right now. So I just have a little bit of patching to do, and then I can go ahead and start texturing. So if you look really close at the surface of this GRAIL shield, it is very textured. It's all rust. And some of it's flaking up and it's spotty. I found that using a compound called Sculptor Coat mixed with dirt gives me a really nice texture. See, what I'm trying to recreate here is this very tall texture. And I'm applying with a brush and with my fingers, just stippling this on here. I'm getting a really nice texture. I started here, you can see it's starting, and I'm just doing this layer by layer and applying some primer so I can see where I'm at. Here's the mold making process. This took a few days of spreading on rubber and then doing a fiberglass mother mold. The shield is about 4 feet tall, so the finished mold is 4.5 feet tall. It's a massive undertaking to get this molded as one piece. And here it is, the finished mold. So the next video will be me doing the paint up tutorial on the Sir Richard's shield. I hope you'll join me for that. If you like this content, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.